In this video, I'm making cereal milk panna cotta. I changed the recipe a little bit, but the original recipe famously comes from Christina Tosi of Momofuku Milk Bar. To start, you'll need 500 milliliters of cream, 500 milliliters of milk, and 100 grams of your cereal of choice. I'm using Fruit Loops because I wasn't allowed to have sugar cereal as a kid because of my ADHD, so Fruit Loops were like the ultimate indulgence if I was at a friend's house, though here in the UK they cost like £9. Pour the cereal into the milk and cream mixture and stir. Then let this sit and infuse for 20 minutes at room temperature. After the cereal milk base has infused, strain out the cereal and pour the liquid into a pot. Then add in 150 grams of sugar. Before you place this on the heat, you'll want to bloom your gelatin, so in a bowl of cold water, bloom 10 grams of platinum grade gelatin sheets. Place the pot on medium-low and bring the cereal milk to a simmer before you remove from the heat. Squeeze out the water from your bloomed gelatin, then add to the warm cereal milk and whisk gently to combine. Pour the panna cotta base into bowls and set in the fridge for 1 to 2 hours. To serve, I just crushed up some Fruit Loops and tossed them on top, but you can kind of garnish this however you want. And that's it. If you like this video, consider subscribing and feel free to connect with me elsewhere at chefstudio_.